Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English Easy. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here today. You know, I received a message last week from a student named Maria. She wrote, "Sarah, I study grammar every day. I know many words. But when I watch an English movie, everything sounds like one long word. I cannot hear the spaces. I feel lost." Do you feel this way too? Like English speakers are robots talking too fast? Like your ears are stuck in slow motion while the world speaks in fast forward? Today, I have a gift for you. It's called shadowing, but not the difficult shadowing, not the stressful kind. I call it gentle shadowing. This technique changed Maria's life, and today it will change yours too. We will train your ears, we will open your mouth, and we will do it without fear. Are you ready? Take a deep breath with me. Good. Let's begin your transformation. Segment 1. Why your ears feel stuck. First, let me tell you a secret. It's not your fault. When you learned English in school, you probably read from books. You saw words on paper. You memorized lists. This is good. But English in real life is not like a book. In real life, words connect. What do you want becomes, what do you want? Going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. Your textbook said, I am going to eat, but your neighbor says, I'm gonna eat. These are different sounds. So today, we don't study grammar rules. We study sound patterns. We teach your ears to expect the connections. This is shadowing. Shadowing means you are the shadow of the speaker. When they speak, you follow, like a dance, like singing along to your favorite song. But here's the important part. We start slow, we start small, we start safe. Segment 2. The 3-step gentle shadowing method. Now, the practice. I will teach you my 3-step gentle shadowing method. Get your phone ready. You will practice with me right now. Step 1. The silent shadow. Listen only. Find a short audio or video, just 10 seconds, maybe this video, or a children's story, or a slow podcast. First time, do not speak. Just listen. Close your eyes. Feel the rhythm. Is the voice going up, down, fast, slow? Think of it like watching waves on the ocean. You don't swim yet, you watch. Step 2. The whisper shadow. Second time, play the audio again. This time, whisper with the speaker. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation. Don't worry about meaning 100%. Just copy the music of the voice. Are they happy? Sound happy. Are they tired? Sound tired. Copy the feeling, not just the words. Step 3. The loud shadow. Third time, speak with confidence, loud and clear. Walk around your room. Feel the words in your body. If they say, hello, and smile, you smile too. This is the secret. Shadowing is not just speaking. It's acting. It's feeling. It's being. Now, let's practice together. I will say a sentence 3 times. You shadow me. First time, I love learning English. Second time, I love learning English. Third time, I love learning English. Did you try? Maybe you felt silly. That's okay. Feeling silly means you are brave. Brave people learn fast. Segment 3. The mistake-friendly mindset. I need to tell you something important. When you shadow, you will make mistakes. Funny mistakes. Big mistakes. You might say the wrong word. You might laugh. Good. This is exactly what should happen. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby stands up. The baby falls down. The baby laughs. The baby tries again. The baby does not say, "Oh no, I failed. I will never walk." The baby knows falling is part of walking. English is the same. When you shadow and make a funny sound, your brain wakes up. It says, "Oh, that was different. Let me try again." This is how children learn. And you are still a child in English. Be kind to your inner child. I want you to try something this week. I call it the mistake journal. Every time you make a funny mistake while shadowing, write it down. Not to feel bad, to celebrate. For example, today I said sheep instead of ship. Ha! Funny! Today I said beach instead of another word. Oops! When you laugh at mistakes, they become your teachers. When you cry about mistakes, they become your walls. Segment 4. 5 daily sounds to shadow. You might ask, Sarah, what should I shadow every day? Here are 5 daily sounds you can practice. These are sounds you hear in real life. Sound 1, the morning coffee sound. Shadow the barista. Good morning. What can I get for you? Say it with a smile. Sound 2, the weather sound. It's going to be sunny today. Or, it's raining again. I need my umbrella. Sound 3, the phone sound. Hello, this is Sarah. I can't answer right now. Please leave a message. Sound 4, the shopping sound. Do you have this in a bigger size? Or, how much does this cost? Sound 5, the thank you sound. Thanks so much for your help. Try different ways. Happy thanks. Tired thanks. Very grateful thanks. Pick just one sound per day. Shadow it 10 times. In 1 week, you will own these sounds. They will live in your mouth naturally. Segment 5. Real cafe conversation practice. Now, let's do a real situation together. We are in a cafe. I will be the barista. You will be the customer. We will shadow a conversation. Hi there, what can I get started for you? Would you like that hot or iced? Anything else with that? Maybe a muffin? That'll be $5.50. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Now, did you try? Maybe you only said one word. Maybe you said nothing. That's perfect. Listening is the first shadow. Speaking comes later. Next time you buy coffee or tea, say just one sentence in your mind, or whisper it. This is real practice. This is real life. Weekly challenge. My dear friend, you did something powerful today. You didn't just listen, you participated. You shadowed. You practiced courage. Here is your weekly challenge. Find one short video, just 30 seconds, of something you love. Maybe cooking, maybe cats, maybe music. Use the 3-step shadowing method. 1. Listen silently. 2. Whisper with it. 3. Speak with confidence. Do this for 5 days, just 5 minutes each day. Then come back and tell me in the comments, Sarah, I did it! My mouth feels different. Because it will. Your muscles will remember, your ears will open, and you will feel free. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You need to be persistent. Keep showing up. Keep shadowing. Keep learning gently. I'm Sarah. This is Listen and Learn English Easy. You are doing better than you think. You are braver than you know. And I am proud of you. See you next Tuesday. Keep listening. Keep learning. Keep loving your journey.